guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela and today's video is going to be a very different video from all of my usual videos. Me and Aisha, for those of you guys who don't know, Aisha is my sister. We are going to recreate the McDonald's into BTS meal. Now the McDonald's into BTS meal has been very popular, and BTS is a Korean boy band, and honestly I am not the biggest fan of BTS. No offense to anyone, I am not a fan of music itself. I did listen to some of their music and I do like the music, like I do like the band, but I'm not a big fan of any band, like any band or any singer. I'm not a big fan of music in general, so that is just the person I am. No offense to any music lovers or any BTS fans here. So McDonald's, in collaboration with BTS, came out with their meal, and honestly I felt that the meal was really overhyped and overpriced, because in the meal you just get some nuggets, fries and some sauces, and the sauces were something that was like really unique about the meal. So me and Aisha, we are going to create the sauces, like create this whole meal from scratch, and we're going to make the sauces as well, because obviously the sauces are the main thing. And then there's just fries and nuggets. We're just going to fry the nuggets and fries, and we are going to test the whole meal and see how it turns out. Like, we're going to recreate the meal. This is something like really new, and I haven't done anything like that on my channel, so I'm super excited. I always love, you know, watching these what do you say, food recreation and, you know, recreation videos in general. So we're just going to recreate the McDonald's into BTS meal, and I'm super excited to show you guys. I also wore this lavender kind of dress because that is the color of the meal. Like, the theme of the meal is purple lavender kind of color, so I just tried to coordinate with that as well. And yeah, that was a long ass intro. Now let's get into the video. So Aisha is here. Anna. So for those of you guys who don't know, this is Aisha, and are you excited?
Yes, I am, because I'm the biggest fan of nuggets. And
I am also really excited. Also we you know, recreated the whole packaging as well, like the BTS into McDonald's wala meal jo hai. So we recreated the packaging as well, which we are going to show at the end of the video. We made the packaging from scratch, मतलब craft के सामान से बनाया है, both of us, and we are so happy with the results, like how it turned out. So yeah, that is it. Let's get started, है ना?
Yes, एकदम हल्का सा वो.
So what's unique about the BTS meal is their sauces, and they have two sauces, Cajun sauce and sweet chili sauce. So we'll make the sauces first. It's very easy to make the sauces. I have the full recipe of the sauces on Aisha's channel. She has this food channel, so the full recipe will be there, but I will show you guys a glimpse of making the sauces. And also the BTS meal is super expensive. It retails for 350 rupees. When we checked the app, it retailed for 345 rupees, which I think is super expensive, because you just get nuggets and fries and these sauces. Like, it's not like a proper meal. Like, एक, you know, normal इंसान को पेट नहीं भरेगा ये meal खा के. You'll have to get a burger or something with that. This is just like a snack, so you know, it's really expensive for 350 rupees. Since the meal is like super expensive, 360 का meal है, तो हमने सोचा why not, 350 का meal है, तो हमने सोचा why not 260 रुपीज़ में आधा किलो नगेट्स लेके घर पे ही मील बनाया जाए, बिकॉज इट्स सो ईजी. एंड कैजुअन सॉस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी ईजी टू मेक. घर के सामान ही लगेंगे. यू विल हैव टू जस्ट गेट द कैजुअन स्पाइस, लाइक स्पाइस मिक्स. अमेजोन पे मिल जाएगा. दैट्स ऑल्सो, यू नो, नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. सो वी जस्ट, यू नो, वी थॉट ऑफ रिक्रिएटिंग द मील, क्योंकि 350 में तो एक ही इंसान खाएगा, एंड वो पैसे में इफ़ वी मेक, यू नो, एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 people can eat it. So that was the main reason we wanted to recreate the meal, because there's nothing special about the meal except the sauces, and sauces तो हम लोग आपको ये वीडियो में बता देंगे. So बहुत ज़्यादा बड़बड़ हो गया है. I am going to take you guys through recreating the whole meal. So we are going to make the mayo. पहले जा रहा है garlic, and then 1 egg, and then some vinegar, salt, sugar. बहुत easy है mayo बनाना at home. Also really sorry if there's a lot of background noise, because we are you know, we have an open kitchen and road है बाजू में. the magic ingredient. This is the Cajun spice seasoning from Urban Platter. Amazon पे बहुत ही easily मिल जाएगा. I'll leave it in the description down below. So we're going to add lots of Cajun seasoning because that is going to make all the difference, right? Cajun sauce is done. Moving on to the sweet chili sauce, we're going to take some sugar, water, vinegar, garlic, chili flakes, and corn flour, and we're going to boil everything. So we're done making the sauces. As you guys saw, we're going to move on to fry some nuggets and some fries. The nuggets that we're using is from this brand, the Godrej Yummies wala nuggets. These are the nuggets that we usually I just dropped the packet of nuggets. And then the fries that we're going to make is by McCain. They are very similar to the McDonald's ka fries. So we're just going to fry everything and be right back with our very creative BTS McDonald's packaging. So yeah, stay tuned. Now is the final reveal. We have this, you know, the whole BTS meal in this cover that we again, you know, made. So we had this brown cover at home. We just, you know, stuck the McDonald's and the BTS sign, and yeah. So the first thing I have here is the Coke. So this is how it looks. And then we have the sauces. So here is the sweet chili sauce, and oh my god, here is the Cajun sauce. And then I have the most favorite part of the video, that is these fries. Oh, so here is the fries, and oh my god, and then comes the main part, and that is the chicken nuggets. So this is the packaging, and this is how it looks.
Oh my god, I can't wait to dig in with the nuggets.
Finally, it's a time to do the taste test. I'm going to try the nuggets first. Try with the Cajun dip. This is how the Cajun dip looks. I'm so excited.
Oh my god.
Wow, this tastes delicious. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm going to try it with the sweet chili. मेरे को sweet chili बहुत पसंद है.
I'm not the biggest fan of sweet chili. No.
I love sweet chili.
Just let me try.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So good. Yeah? This is good.
Love it.
I really love it.
The Coke.
Do you think it's worth $350 for just this? Not
Not
worth
at
it.
all.
We got the whole nuggets का pack, which has around like 30. आराम से 30 nuggets तो होंगे उसमें. That's half kilo of nuggets for 260 rupees. And fries तो already घर में थे, so we just fried that. And just Cajun seasoning लेना पड़ा. Rest everything we had at home. So you know, you just need ingredients that you already have at home. You don't need to spend so much money to try the BTS meal. And घर पे बना के खाने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है ना? We really enjoy cooking. ऐसे मतलब different kinds of meal. I hate cooking, you know, the regular घर का खाना. But I really love cooking ऐसा कुछ different. I'm going to try fries with the sweet chili. Sweet chili, it looks really nice. I hope the camera picks it up. Oh, looks so good.
It's yummy. The sweet chili is like really sweet and the spicy.
Wow. For the video, guys, we are going to enjoy our McDonald's into BTS meal, and we'll see you guys super soon in another fun video. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay home and stay safe. Also, if you guys like the video, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye bye.